Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss the mirror equation. So this equation is very important for IBE. So this equation tells the relation between object distance, image distance and the focal length, where f is the focal length, u is the object distance and v is the image distance. For this I am considered the concave mirror. So this is the concave mirror. And this is the principal axis, where P is the pole of the mirror and C is the center of curvature, F is the principal focus. This is an object. So the light rays are coming from this object. So already I discussed the 4 rules: rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4. So rule 1 tells that so whenever a ray of light incident on a spherical mirror, after it will reflect the principal focus. That is the rule number 1. So rule number 2, so whenever a ray of light towards the pole obliquely and it will reflect obliquely. The third rule is whenever a ray of light pass through the center of curvature, so after it will go back in the same path. And the fourth one, so a ray of light pass through the principal focus, after it will pass through the parallel to the principal axis. So already I told you the 4 rules. So by using the 4 rules I am solving this question. The first rule, so whenever a ray of light incident on the spherical mirror, after it will reflect, pass through the principal focus. So here I am using the 3 rules only, so we can use the 4 rules also. So the second one is towards the pole, after it will reflect obliquely. So that is the second rule. So here the object is A, B is the object. Next, the third rule. So whenever a ray of light pass through the center of curvature, after reflect will go back the same path. So these all rays are meet at this point. So that means the image formed here. This image is the real image and inverted image. Inverted means not straight. So real image always the inverted image and virtual image is always the erect image. Erect means straight. So this is real image. Why? Because all rays are really meet at this point. So that is the image is a real image. So B dash and A dash. Okay, here I am considered the 2 triangles. What are them? A dash, B dash, F. A dash, B dash, F is the one of the triangles, and FMP. FMP is the another triangle. These 2 triangles are the similar triangles. That means this makes an angle theta, and this is also makes an angle theta. So these 2 triangles are the similar triangles. For these similar triangles, we can say that the ratio of sides will be equal. The ratio of sides will be equal. So in this triangle, A dash B dash is the one of the sides and B dash F is the another side. So this is the hypotenuse. So in this triangle, FP is the one of the sides and MP is the one of the sides. These sides are, the ratio of these sides are equal. So we can write like this: B dash A dash by MP. Next, B dash F by FP. So where MP is equal to the AB, so we can rewrite B dash AB is equal to B dash F by FB. Say equation 1. Next, I am considered again the two triangles. A dash B dash P is the one of the triangles and A B P is the another triangle. So B dash A dash by B dash A dash by AB is equal to, so another side is B dash P by here another side BP, this side BP. Equation 2. From equation and equation 2, LHS are equal, so we can equate the RHS. B dash F by FP is equal to B dash P by BP. Here B dash F is equal to B dash P minus FP. B dash F means B dash P minus FP. B dash P minus FP by FP is equal to B dash P by BP. So B dash P is nothing but the image distance V and A here object distance. Okay, so B dash P V minus FP, that means the focal length. Focal length, what is the focal length? The distance between the principal focus and P is the focal length. So F by F is equal to B dash P is the image distance V by BP is the object distance U. So now we have to change the sign convention. So already I told you the Cartesian sign conventions. So what are they? So if we want to measure the distance, all the distances are have to measure from the pole. So here V is the negative because B dash P, that means P B dash. So here the incident ray, this ray is the image is perpendicular to the incident ray. So that's why we can take it as the sign is the negative. So minus V. F is the focal length. So we can measure from the pole to the focal length. This is also the perpendicular to the incident ray. So again minus plus by minus F minus V by minus U. Minus gets cancelled. So V by F minus 1 is equal to V by U. So divide by V. Then 1 by F is equal to 1 by V is equal to 1 by U. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So this is the mirror equation.